This is Venki here. Hope you are all enjoying your Sunday. Okay, in this video, what I would like to convey some message to all of you. The given condition, okay, COVID, okay, we're all like day in day out, we're all stressed out due to hearing a lot of news around us through medias and newspapers and all those things. So I would say I would recommend all of us, okay, instead of worrying for everything, let's worry what is in our control. For example, taking care of our health, our families well-being, it's in our control. With respect to what's going on in the outside, what is going on in other countries is not in our control. By seeing this media, knowing all this death news, death information, watching the channels, and like this all putting you lot of stress, and finally we are not going to get anything good out of it. Only more stress, more worries, and you lose your sleep. So I would strongly recommend all of us just to avoid seeing a lot of channels, just to keep ourselves, stay away from all this negativity. Just read papers and just get to know what's going on. Okay, that's all enough. And know about what is the government's announcements, important updates from the WHO and all the government media and all those things. But let's not get into a lot of news about the COVID, which will put you under a lot of stress. That is a small suggestion I would like to give to all of us. And number two, taking care of self. When I speak about taking care of self, okay, let's do yoga. Let's practice yoga on day-to-day basis. And I'm very sure you're all doing it. If not, please start doing that. And number two, you can start doing pranayama, which helps to increase your immune system of your lungs, and your lungs working condition, capacity, everything will be increased. Your pressure and all those things will be increased. So please ensure that you're doing pranayama. When you're doing pranayama, just you have to spend 10 to 15 minutes dedicatedly for that. First, you have to exhale all the toxins inside your lungs by doing fast exhalation in your left nostril for 50 times. And after that, you can use these two fingers and you can close left nostril, and you can like that. You can do exhalation, fast exhalation in the right nostril. You can do 50 times in both the nostrils. And after that, you can just use same two fingers, and you can just exhale exhale fastly in both the nostrils. For example, like that you can do another 50 times. And after that, in both the nostrils together, you can just exhale. This you can do for 50 times. So all these four things will just take care of your lungs working capacity and all those things. And you can do Basrika, which is again a very very good tool taught to us by a lot of gurus. For example, you have to hold your both the hands like this. Together you have to lift your hands, inhale, and after that forcefully you have to exhale. I'll do for a sample. Okay, so this way you can do for 50 times. So all these five things, whatever I taught just now, will increase your lungs capacity and immune system. All those things will be increased, and you can remove the toxins, unnecessary toxins and all. And after that, you can practice small pranayama or techniques, like you can just close your right nostril and inhale in the left nostril for 4 seconds. You can hold and close the left nostril and exhale in your right nostril for 6 seconds and hold for 2 seconds, and do the same pattern once again. Exhale in the right nostril for 4 seconds, hold, close, exhale in the left nostril for 6 seconds. Okay, I'll do once. Okay, just see it. Hold, close the left nostril, the right nostril you exhale, hold for 2 seconds, again you inhale in the right nostril for 4 seconds, close, wait for 4 seconds, exhale in the left nostril for 6 seconds. Okay, so inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds, again hold for 2 seconds, and repeat. This way you can do for 6 to 8 times. So all these things will help to take care of your lungs. And I'm very sure when you're talking about lungs, you will be doing a lot of kashaya, you will be taking a lot of Ayurvedic medicines, and you will be taking vaporizer and all. Please don't be hesitant to continue to do that. Please do all those things which will improve your lungs capacity. So all these things will take care of you people. I'm very sure nothing will happen. We all will be safe. Okay, please do this. And with respect to meditation to reduce our stress level, I would strongly recommend daily you just please sit either in the morning or afternoon or night, whenever. Okay, close the doors. Okay, keep yourself in a very silent environment and close your eyes. Sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana, whatever you feel comfortable, and you can use your chin mudra. Okay, sit and just close your eyes. Okay, try your level best to be in a pin drop silent environment, and close your eyes and just imagine as if you have a small flame in front of your eyes. Okay, just inside your mind, inside your conscious, you think as if you are just seeing that flame. Okay, close your eyes and your mind should not think anything else. Just focus on that flame. Okay, and just keep meditating yourself. Okay, it may be flame or it may be your favorite god or whatever. You can have any aspects in front of you, and just you keep meditating, thinking about that particular thing. That is one thing. And the second thing what you can do, you can have a deep inhalation. Okay, after that you can, when you exhale, you can chant om and you can exhale. This you can do for 11 times, which is again a very good exercise for to keep your brain calm. For example, I'll do it once. Okay, this way you can do for 11 times. Okay, please ensure that at least once in a day you are doing this. So both exercises whatever I taught for brain will really keep yourself cool, and spend some quality time to keep your brain also cool and avoid stress, reduce stress. And please share this to your family, your children and all. And as we move on, I will teach you a lot of small tips, tools, techniques, a lot of mudras and a lot of things. And I wish you all the very best. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.